it's Mariko from Vincent Music. So what I want you to do for your homework at home is to practice the D major scale that you can already play. And also today we'll be also focusing on the King's Fiddlers song. So starting off with D major scale. So I want you to focus on the intonation of the scale and also the way you use the bow. So your bow shouldn't be going up here or below the bridge, right? So D major scale, you can start off by doing a 1 beat per note. Okay with that already, then you can also change your rhythm up a bit, like a little faster. But make sure not to go too fast and make sure that the intonation is also correct. And to make it a little more fun, you can also do something like this. Something like this if you want to. Remember, you can be as creative as you want with your scale, so you can always change up the rhythm and the beat, right? But make sure that you focus on the intonation, make sure that it doesn't go out of tune, and also your bowing. Okay, and now for the next one, we'll be looking at the King's Fiddler song. So this song, as you can already play the whole song today, I would want you to focus on the dynamics of the song. So if you look carefully, in the beginning of the song, it would start off as mezzo forte, so that's going to be medium loud, right? Not too loud and not too soft. So mezzo forte would be around this. But if it's forte, it would be louder, right? So before starting playing this song, you can also try to do like different dynamics starting from piano, making it quiet. Or a little louder, mezzo forte. And forte. Yeah, as this song, there's no PP yet, so the piano would be, mezzo piano would be the most quiet one. So the song would be like this, starting off by mezzo forte. So that's going to be louder. And mezzo piano, so it's quiet. And louder. Next part B, is going to be mezzo forte. it's going to be mezzo forte. Just make sure when you practice, you don't have to start from the beginning and then play into the end. You can break it up into smaller pieces, so maybe 2 lines at a time, and make sure your intonation is correct, and you're also following the dynamics, and also your bow, as your bow should always be here. It shouldn't be up here or down here. Okay, so that will be it.